All right, man. I need y'all to like, comment, and share. We reacting to Ja Morant. Like, what you on, bro? Like, do you want attention? Is you mad Dylan Brooks left? Is you really not fucking with Memphis? You flashing guns and you know you in the NBA, bro. Who trying to get on you, bro? Let's be real. He did it so fast. Oh my god. It was your friend who did it. Hey, blame young boy, man. NBA young boy is the reason why everybody everybody out here. Why ain't he the person with the gun flashing it? He got his fingers. You supposed to be doing your fingers, John Morant. That nigga said, I'm a shooter on it and off the court. That nigga said, I've been a shooter. He want to say that, but he can't really say that. Next time I make a song, I'm gonna say I'm a shooter like Ja or like Morant. Ja or Morant gotta be in one of my next songs if I ever create some shit. But yeah, man. What the fuck? Let's see it again. Slow motion. Oh, shit sad as fuck, man. Like, comment, share.